Hey all, in this short video, I want to show how you can share Bito content with your co-workers or on the social media channels. Since we launched Bito in December, tens of thousands of users have created hundreds of thousands of Q&A with Bito. Now with the sharing, we want to make sure that you are able to share that content with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channel with a single click of button. So with the sharing icon in Bito, you can tweet a specific Q&A. You can compose the email and send to your colleagues, or you can simply copy a link and share that link with wherever you want to share. So for example, when I click Twitter, it gives me a message to open the Twitter website, and if I am logged into the Twitter, we automatically compose a tweet that you can share with your Twitter followers, and your Twitter follower will be able to see that specific content through a permanent web page and the web link. And if you want to share just the web link, you can copy the link and embed into a document, share on the Slack, or post to other channels like Discord or Facebook or wherever you want. So we hope that with the new sharing feature, you will share the content that you create with Bito with your colleagues and your followers. If you have any feedback, let us know onto our Slack channel or through our support channel.